What's going on, guys? So today we got the Insta360x4. We ordered it online. We just got the package. It arrived today. So we're gonna do a unboxing. So there you have it. X4 Insta360. And we got the car mount. We got the car mount. We just got it right here. We'll see what comes with it, what we're gonna be using. I'm assuming this the selfie stick. Let's see here. It's kind of hard to record because it's just me. But yeah, there you have it. Selfie stick. That's that. Let's see what we got here. Another component. Got that. Range. All right. So that's that, guys. We gonna mount it in a little bit. I'm open up the Insta360. See what comes with it. Just so you know, I didn't buy the whole package. I bought the mount separate. Only bought the Insta360 itself. And I think I got a memory card right there. We'll see how it works.